Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today I'm going to show you how to overlay text on top of an image. In a previous video I showed how to do an overlay on an image, and this would really play nicely with that, so that like if you have a white image you could give a dark overlay with some light text. For this video I have a page set up already with just an image and a text, and I'll show you that structure. We just have some basic styling here, nothing important yet, and then we have a container with an image and text inside of it. That's important structure to make this happen. You'll want to have a container with the only two children being the image and the text. The first thing that we're going to want to do is we want to make this container position relative, and I'll explain why in a minute. Okay, so when we give the position relative, we can now basically have the background image be position absolute and span the whole width of the container. And making it relative gives that position absolute somewhere to stick to. So now that we have that, we'll go ahead and make the image position absolute. It's already 100% width and 100% height. We'll put it at the top and the left. Okay, so now our image is position absolute. It's been removed from the flow of the document. It spans the whole container. It's almost like it's a background of the container. So now the text is sitting on top of it. So now what we have to do is position our text. So for our text, we have a class of .container and then div. We'll make that position absolute as well. And then we'll put it 20 pixels from the bottom. We'll make it 100% width. And that should be it. If I view my thing here, the text should be on top of the image, 20 pixels from the bottom. There's some overlay there because I have margins. That's okay. This is just an example. So now, even if the image scales, the text is always going to be 20 pixels from the bottom. You could also change that to make the text like at the top or the sides, wherever you want, really. This is great for like blog articles where you have a featured image and you have the title overlaid on top of that image. So to recap, all you do is have the image and the text inside the same container. You set the image, you set the container to position relative, set the image to position absolute, set the text to position absolute. If you have more than one element in there and you're trying to position it, you may have to set the Z index so that certain elements sit on top of each other. Like if this div was just one of several elements and it was behind one, I would put Z index 10 to make it come to the forefront. Basically, the higher the Z index, the more towards you the element will be, and the lower, the further it will be away in the Z plane, I think they call it. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'm just starting out my channel, so I'm trying to grow an audience. If you would subscribe, that would be great, or like this video, and we'll see you in the next ones. I'm going to do a bunch more how-to videos, so thank you for watching.